Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to hide messages on Discord. To get started, open up your Discord application on your device or mobile phone. Once you're there, you will see somewhat like this. So in order to hide messages, go on the server and in the message box, type in what I have typed or type in any message you want, but make sure you have typed like this what I've typed, which may be denoted as a bars or something like that, and type the message in the middle part and just send it. So that is how easily you can hide message on Discord.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.